Hi, everybody. I am really excited to share with you what your new lessons will look like with Primary Tutor Project. So, first, to access your lessons, you'll need to get your parents' help to log in to their Primary Tutor Project account using their email and password that they used when they booked the lessons. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to see all of your upcoming lessons here with the nearest one at the top. I can see that this lesson is already started, so that means I can join it. Just click the Enter Classroom button here, and then if it's time to join, you'll be able to click Join Lesson. This will take you through to the classroom space where first of all, it will get you to check your camera and microphone are working. If you can see yourself, and if you can see that bar at the bottom of the screen moving in and out when you talk, that means it's all working just fine. So click Join. If it doesn't look like it's working, you can change the camera and microphone here to make sure that it works for you. You could also put a blur on your background should you wish to blur out what's going on behind you. You can test the speakers too to check that's working and then hit Join. So once you've logged into your lesson, you'll be able to see your teacher and yourself and any other students that are there with you. I've got the camera turned off for this one, so you can't see me, but you normally will. When you're in the lesson, your teacher will guide you through all of the different games and activities for the lesson, but you'll be able to interact with it too. So, for example, if you're playing a game like this one, then you can draw your own counters like this. And if you click the arrow tool, you can move them around the board. You'll also be able to see dice. For example, if you're playing a game like this, your teacher might put the dice up on the board and you can roll it yourself. Your teacher might also share with you different websites. And something that's really special about this is that you can type onto the website yourself too. So, for example, if we're doing this times table game, you can also join in too. If you're doing a great job, then your teacher might share some rewards with you throughout the class, which are quite fun. Maybe you can choose your favourite. If you're in a group class, you are also able to send messages through the chat button, which looks like this down here. So you can send a message to your group, or if you've got a question for your teacher that you don't want to put your hands up for in class, you can ask that here too. It's a really cool lesson experience, and we cannot wait to share it with you so that you can see everything that you can do in our classes. We look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.